jalapenos. Mmm. But if you get everything, it's good. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. Like they always say. He didn't give me no napkins either. Hold on. No napkins though, so it's all good. Like I would say, you can always use some more steak. It's just more chips and sauce with like the toppings. Even that though is not too bad. I ain't gonna lie, because you can't go wrong with Doritos, can't go wrong jalapeno onion, can't go wrong with it. With the sauce, with the cheese, mix it all together. I'm saying a good 8, maybe a 9.